All right, so we have another coordinate geometry question here. A rectangle PQRS has a diagonal, right? Where the point P is the point -310 and the point R is the point 4 minus 4. So think about a rectangle. This is what a rectangle would look like. And there's a diagonal line going across like this. And one point is the point, actually that is not, yeah, that's it. One point is the point P, and this point is the point R, right? So the point P is -310, and the point R is the point 4, -4. So this come like n points on the line, right? This is the line now we're interested in. Calculate the length of the line, right? So as usual, x1, y1, x2, y2. Let's go into working it out. So I always like to state what I'm given. So I'll write the points. And I will label them x1, y1, x2, y2. They say part 1 to calculate the length of the line PR. The formula for calculating the length of the line is going to be x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. And this is why I would always write the points and label them. So now I just substituting values into my formula. So x2 is 4, right? Now again, this is where students tend to make little errors. This number here is -3. The negative on this 3 have nothing to do with the negative sign here, right? So when you're writing this, you have to put back the negative sign from your formula and put this -3 in our bracket. Now remember, everything inside of here is being squared. So regardless of what answer you get inside of the bracket, the answer when you square it going to become positive. Yeah? So, to come in. And on the next side, we have y2, -4. We put your negative numbers in our bracket. Minus y1 is 10 squared. So once we put our formula, we identify our values x1, y1, x2, y2. We just have to substitute and solve. So now I'll get 4 plus 3 squared. And inside of here, I'll get -14 minus, both of them minus. So you keep the sign and add. Squared. Right? That working out to be 7 squared plus my calculator. 14 squared is 196. And 7 squared is 49. That's the square root of 245. Answer 15.65. We put it 2 decimal places. Units. The answer is always in units. Right, everybody okay with this first part? Yeah? Second part, determine the equation of the line PR. So to find the equation of the line, let us start back again by writing back our coordinates, right? -310, 4 minus 4. Right. label x1, y1, x2, y2. Now, in order to find the equation of the line, you need the gradient and you need 1 point. We have this, right? Because it has 2 points to choose from. We could choose any one of them and work it out. This one, we need to find the gradient. So let's find the gradient. Finding gradient. We know the formula for a gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Right? So m is equal to minus 4 minus 10. And x2 is 4 minus, remember, don't forget, this is a minus 3, so it's have to go in our bracket. So again here, negative 14, and underneath here, I'm going to get 4 plus 3. That's 7. So my gradient is negative 2. Right? So now we go into the equation of the line. So we find then equation of the line. I like to lay out everything that I have. And like when a chef in a kitchen, they put out all the ingredients they go and use, they prep everything and they have it ready. Same thing. We will use 4 minus 4 as our point for x and y values, right? That's the point R. So any 1 point and any gradient will work. Next, I put them a formula. Y is equal to mx plus c. Then I'll substitute any values. So minus 4, m is minus 2. I'll put another bracket. X is 4 plus c. So you get minus 4, minus 2 by 4, you get minus 8. I want to find c. So if I carry this 8 across the equal sign, I'll get 8, positive 8 minus 4. So c is actually 4. All right, so my equation of the line now. Remember, we're writing it back, only including the values of m, which is negative 2, and c, which is positive 4. And that's the equation of the line. All right? So we have our length of the line, 15.65 units to 2 decimal places. For the equation of the line, we found the gradient because we wasn't given the gradient. And then we got the equation of the line, y is equal to minus 2x plus 4.